two and then the three and then the four. Then you gotta breathe. One and the two and then the three and then the four. Then you gotta breathe. Then you gotta. Yo, these niggas can't breathe when I come through. Hum to some shoes, gotta be 20, man. It's not even funny, they can't. The chokehold's too tight, the left looks too right. You know what? You right. These bitches can't. Look, they hearts racing, they start chasing, but I'm so fast when I blow past that they can't. In the presence of the man, your future look better than your past. If you present with the man, you better. You niggas can't share my air. I walk a mile in the pair I wear, and I'm getting better year by year, like they say wine do. Cops couldn't smell me if you brought the K9s through, and I pace myself. I know these money hungry bitches wanna taste my wealth, but I keep them on a diet, embrace their health, or even keep them on the quiet, and space myself, and just take a deep breath. I got them grabbing their chest, cause it's hurting them to see fabbing is best, and they in they worst. They'd rather see me laying a hearse than laying a back, and I ain't just laying the verse, I'm saying the facts. I came back with some sicker stones that got these broke niggas looking at me like they choking on a chicken bone. Every chick I bone can't leave a dick alone, so I know it's one of them every time I flip my phone. Breathe. One and then the two and then the three and then the four. Then you gotta breathe. One and then the two and then the
chat. I have buy stops right now. Anyone that's on the chat right now, I have buy stops here. On gold at the break of the previous 30 high, which would be the break of the previous hourly high. Hold on. This is really quick here. Got buy stops. About to activate right here. Stops below the previous. When they see that and back. We ride up on them like they escalators, respirators, in a fresh pair. Hold on. I'm giving it about 3 pips spread on the broker. Okay, so 2, 3. My buy stop's at 3-1 on Trader's Domain. Anyone that's on Trader's Domain. You know what? You right. Pop a fruit corks in it. In a New York minute. To the AB. Stream's not lagging. No, we're good. Stream has exactly. I just checked it. From the moment I raise my hand to the moment I see it on YouTube here, it is exactly 2 seconds. Maybe less, so it's not lagging. Not activated yet. Just told you what it is on the broker, but we about to. over here playing with Barbie dolls. What's going on here? No. All right. Yeah, so we got buy stops here. I don't know how I didn't get activated, but I'm accounting for 3 pip spread, and I'm still not activated. This was really unexpected. Honestly, I didn't even have this marked up. This is marked up from Monday. But we never came back above here since then, so this would have been arranged to break out. The level is still the same. Chat, it's going to be current candle. If this candle comes back down, activates us, and comes back down and re-breaks the current candle low, that's going to be our stops. It should not come back and re-break its own low if it's going to break the highs here. It can, but it shouldn't. The only issue we have here is the previous 1 hour with no bottom wick, but we kind of broke that here. We shouldn't come back down. If it does, that negates the trade. How much was this wick here on the hourly? 8. Yeah, I hopped on too late. As I hopped on, this wick was already made. I think we would have already been break even here. It's all right. I mean, break at a highs is still valid. You have the extra confirmation of the seller play here, technically. Sorry, chat. I don't even have my Zoom running. If anyone wants to hop on the Zoom, if you're in the course, in the course members section on our free Devious server. By the way, go join the free Devious server. It's free. Join that motherfucker while it's still free. And all the information is there for every session. Signals, courses, the mods. So it's going to be in the mods channel and the course channel. If you're in the course or in the mods, you're going to have the link available to you. Let me just actually, you know what? It's going to be the same link as last time. So just go on that channel, whatever last link I sent. That's what we're going to do. I mean, if anybody wants to join me. If not, that's cool too. But I'm going to be on Zoom here. Chat, we must break this here on this 30-minute candle in the next 15 minutes. If we don't, I'm going to delete this. And if we do, that's our trade.
Yeah, my cocaine novella, soap opera. These are the days of our pies. So many RNs I done made, waitresses I done saved.
Chad, I'm not ignoring you. I'm doing a whole bunch of other shit as I ran up on the stream. All right. Wow, a bunch of people on here already. All right, drop a like, sub to the channel. Let's get some more like-minded people in here. Let's have YouTube recommend this stream to others, and the way we do that is we drop likes and we sub. Drop a like to be activated. You know what? I think we should do a breakdown here. Well, let's see. Hold on. Let me just. Yeah, all of this is gonna have to go. Daily's bullish, closed above the most recent on GJ, and it's still respecting the lows. So if we come back up to flip daily, we're gonna fill the previous day here. That whole wick here should be fun. Should be interesting. Need to start rejecting Daily's bullish. Can we see range 2 breakouts? We already have 1, 2. We're coming up to. Yeah, range 2 we had. I'd be bearish here. Let's just see what's up. Daily bullish broke the previous daily high. 4 hour broke the previous 4 hour high. Coming up on a little 4 hour resistance. 1 hour doesn't have a bottom wick. Previous 1 hour. But we already came up, made a bottom wick, and broke the highs. Technically, the rebreak of the highs should drive. Right? It's a nice level here. We're gonna adjust this once this candle closes. Be surprised if this doesn't drive up here, at least a little bit. If it doesn't, it's gonna pull back a little within, because it's the 4 hour closure, so this candle should pull back and leave a top wick if we're to continue bullish, right? The 4 hours should technically pull back and leave us a wick. We don't activate here at 9 p.m. I'm gonna. That's exactly what I'm gonna look for this candle to kind of close somewhere over here and have a long wick. Yeah, this is what we want. So then we can take this. Roller coasting. Roller coasting. Oh, are we activated? Hold on, I think we're activated. Let me look.
Good morning, Boopy. I
Yeah,
pray
we
all is
are
well with
in
you.
here.
I'm praying that
Yeah,
you
let me turn
have
this
a
shit down.
prosperous concert tonight. Stay focused.
All right, chat. So we are in. We have buy stops that just activated us. I feel like I haven't had a buy in a long time. And we're to drive up here. This will be a good time. Right, so. Could have runners here. I'm gonna manage around 20 pips. Right, and for stops, it'll be the rebreak of the current candle low. 25 pips, 26 for 26 pips. And if we come down and re-break the lows, then we'll wait on the 4 hour. We can have, if we look at it, we can technically have 1 hour stops here a little bit lower, but I think if we break these stops, we're heading down. I think if we break the current candle stops, we're gonna head down. So I'm banking on this seller replay driving up. All right, we're over 25 pips here. Have risk. Be mindful of what you're doing. What's the setup called? This is the celery play. Closed above the most recent. What's the difference between here and the hourly? 29, 26. Yeah, no, I'm gonna keep it at current candle. I'm fine with 26. Oh. Imagine just takes us out. 2 L's on the day before Thanksgiving. Really tests you. To really test you, right? That would really test you. Are you gonna stick to it or are you gonna switch up? I gave it 3. It clearly broke the highs. I gave it 3 pips. Oh, let me get rid of this buy stop thing here. So the idea here is to repeat the last time we closed above there. Look, we had these nice closures over here, and it closed and it drove straight up. So my thing is, if it doesn't drive up here, I really believe it's gonna drive up today. So maybe on the next 4-hour candle. So that's the only thing stopping us. Either here or next 4-hour candle. But to our position, we got it. Broke it. I think Don broke it down that celery play this year hasn't been as profitable than as whatchamacallit, as the flip of the candle or the rebreak of the current candle high. You in positions? Yeah, I'm in a position. I took we had a buy stop right as the I didn't even get to do a breakdown. The stream was opening up, and we got a buy stop. Vids for managing risk? Yeah, just I don't know. Just watch the streams. And make sure you're doing it logically, not just emotionally. First time here, we stream every night. We do stream every night, Monday through Thursday. I hate it when people show up and we're in drawdown. That's fucking annoying. It's alright. Well, first timer, drop a like, sub to the channel, and show up. Show up every time, every day. Show up every Monday through Thursday. Yo, what an upset today, right? What an upset this morning. It's part of the game, brother. Oh, yeah. Our win rate is high enough that I don't have to speak for the losses. You know, once in a while, the haters get some content. The trolls get content. That's what we like to call it. Managing risks, yeah. If we close, mm, 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 mm. If this candle closes bear, then we can start looking to close out half. But this candle should not come back and re-break its own low. It's very tough to manage risk here. So I would say we could manage risk as we start closing back in range, right? But our stop loss is already above that because the previous candle had no bottom wick. I think if we come down there, we're gonna re-break it and drive down. So you see how there's no. Okay, let me show you. And it's typically, you see how there's no bottom wick here? So what would happen typically if this is rebroken, it can drive down. It can come back up, but it'll drive past this wick. So if it's going to break this, why would we have our stops there? If it historically it's known to just drive down there. I'm a little pissed. I might end up managing risk. I'm kind of pissed that we broke it on the 30 and didn't drive, right? That's a little annoying. Let's see how many pips is this? Because the expectation is the 30 here. Once the 30 broke, the expectation was to drive on the 30. If it doesn't break here and we're around break even, I might close. Wait for the 4-hour pullback, but minus 7 pips here right now, so I don't want to do that. And we broke the hourly highs, right? So the reason for it not to drive is to create range here on the 4-hour. Why you take trade near candle close time? I didn't. It's 8:20 is when we activate it. 8:05 is our. It's not like, hey, there's no trading. There's just no opening a position, right, at 8:45 because it typically pulls back. But if we already broke here at 8:20, expectation is by 8:30, 8:40, it should be 10, 15 pips in profit with volume. But it's not guaranteed, right? That's why I only went half first. Like I said, it's over 25 pips. Make sure you're managing risk. Go anything that's over 25 for me. It's 26 here. Typically, sometimes you can get away really volume times. I can get away with full risk, but it just doesn't make sense on Asian session. And we just hopped on. I'm fine with a 4-hour closure. I'd probably be at full risk at 25. Just general rules of thumb. But regardless, we expect this candle to drive once it breaks here on the 30. If it doesn't drive and if they're breaking on the 30 and comes back to re-break its own low, it'll typically pull back for the 4-hour. We haven't had a loss here in 20-something days, right? It's been first loss of the month. I mean, first trade of the month was a loss. And since then, it's been nothing but wins. We're on a 5 streak, 5 or 6, 5, I think. I don't know what's more upsetting, this or Germany losing to Japan. What time frame is he trading on? I'm trading on every time frame. We're just going to do a top-down analysis. Once we're out of this trade, we'll redo an analysis, right? I'm out. I mean, yeah, it's solid. You can save yourself, a bunch of pips just because the 30 didn't close above. Yeah, see, and this next 30 opens up with no bottom wick. I would expect this to come back down and re-break the lows, but I'm not gonna manage here because it doesn't make sense in the middle of a candle. There's got to be some parameters met. This right here doesn't tell me if it doesn't have any indication. Right now, it's still respecting the low on the higher time frames. It's respecting this level. Respecting the current hourly low. Once it's broken, then we were wrong or we were early regardless, we're gonna have a short memory and then back to the next trade it is, or next setup and next breakdown. But I can't close it here. Oh, because I feel like, yeah, technically we should have drove up on the previous 30. If we don't, chances of us driving up have gone down now. You guys can manage risk if you feel like, oh, this is only very little, you know, for you to lose, then you can do that. This is, 11 pips, not bad. 11 pips now, 11 pips in the morning. But I'm gonna hold it. My risk is very minimal here, and until that low is broken, the analysis is technically still correct. But I will say it went from like 80% to like 60% because it should have drove on the break of these highs. It broke the hourly high, and it also broke 30 high, but it broke all the highs. It was a rebreak of its own 4-hour high. Dropping electric scooter lots. Are you in? Yeah, we're in. Our trading percent, it's on it's on the spreadsheet. Well, we'll do our own spreadsheet starting January specifically for this stream, but we are 16-3 since beginning in quarter 4. Quarter 4 we are 16-3. We went 11-2 in October, and we are 5-1 so far this month. How I know that? Because I take all the damn trades. And then a lot of people come in and hate. Yeah, if we come back down, it should come back down, break the previous hourly low since there's no bottom wick there. So we'll save ourselves by like 5-6 pips. Amazing stats. I mean, it's not amazing. It's just we're pretty picky regarding our trades. This is the first time since we've been having streams that we had a trade before I even could do an intro or a breakdown. We typically, yeah, it should re-break the lows here, but we typically do a breakdown way before, and then typically our trades are after the 4-hour close. Wow. Yeah, the way the 30, like I said, the way the 30 did not drive here, that negates the celery play. Now we just got like a 30 onion, but it's still really, the 4-hour dictates what should happen here. And what happens is the 4-hour will pull back here, as you guys already know, typically. Level on the 4-hour though is really nice, so we could still close above as the 4-hour pulls back. Not out yet, Chad, but I will be in a second. It should pop it. Already in this? Yeah, well, it's a good thing you just tuned in. You missed a loss. You missed an L. We out. Check the broker. Not yet. Boom, yeah. Oh, I got slipped by 1 pip. Minus 26.5 pips. All right, chat. Now, let's get into the breakdown. That's annoying. All right. No joint for you, Wix. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry. Because we're going to take the same fucking trade again. That's what we're going to do. I don't have a lighter. I ain't got a joint. Wix is down bad today. All right. Fine. Let's get rid of everything. Let's go back into normal mode. Set the mood. Daily, bullish, 4-hour. Bullish just broke the highs and pulling back, obviously. 1 hour. Yes, next buys.
Walk, 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 spin, 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 spin. Stepping this slide, run down on ops. I got niggas hiding from their own damn block. Walk, walk, walk.
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor.
Damn, that's tough. Now we need a closure above here, regardless. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have buys above. We close above there. When we close above there, we drive. We're gonna have okay, yeah. This is good. Wow, we never broke the previous hourly lows. It's incredible. God forbid if this goes back up. But yeah, buys above. We're still gonna need a 4-hour closure. It's 20 minutes past till the 4-hour closes. If it comes back down here, onion or fake out, you guys already know the deal. And sells will be below here. Yep.
It's just that's my first time. Okay, it's mine too.
Okay, so this is gold. There's nothing here I would have done different. I'm just going over what we did. 30 closed above, 30 respected, right? Did not close back below, and then we ended up driving. We grabbed liquidity below it, which is what I would have wanted because the previous hourly, I would have done nothing different here. Chat, maybe our stop, like I said before the previous hourly, but still the same trade. I would have done nothing different. Are you in a buy position? No, we were. We got stopped out, and we're gonna wait for closures above here on the hourly. Brushing your teeth, baby? High five. Good job. Awesome. Oh, yeah? All right, hold on. My kid's brushing her teeth. I got to give her toothpaste. 1 second. 1 second. Don't go anywhere, chat. Come here.
talk to the mayor about Breonna Taylor. I told the president Ford, giving my life to the Lord. Smack DVD and wigs, think that would it be? Gotta cease with the murders, gotta pull up with the fleet. 1,000 black babies getting murdered every day. They don't know where to go, how to build a plan A. Okay, yeah, this is me. What they gonna say to me? I'm the only one out here that really getting free. Gotta build a family, how to build a family. It's do a damn way, everything that I pray. Smack DVD, I'm standing here inside the street. Right here, I'm landing bully, 30 niggas, 30 deep. Niggas standing with the sticks, bitches quitting on their teeth. Tell me what the fuck you want and you can sign and release. I was just think about you. Pop a Percocet, get higher than a kite. Fuck your bitch, get her ass out of sight. Came from the trenches, but I'm living nice. Came for the riches, ain't got time to fight. Came for your hoe, she won't spend a night. I ain't come alone, fire on my side. No on my own, I'm not a knight. Nigga too sharp, nigga need a knife. Drinking out of juice, I don't need a Sprite. Fuck 'em by the two, they both tryna ride. Then I ditch 'em both, I ain't even right. Hot top Chanel, bitch, we drippin' right. Young white cell, bitch, we living life. Snake. 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 I'm gon' run in. And the pockets on rising. Just know that we tied in. And that pussy I dive right in. Before the license I was driving. Set 'em up like a team. Then it get stretched. Just like Grinch. Taking that shit. But you get off the exit. Then you get stretched. We do it for Snake. 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 Landfill post. I'm ballin' for coach. Fly puff, not coach. When the shit, no coats. Down real flow, nigga catch cold. Niggas find the pole. Do it for your bros. He like to do it for the camera. We'll make a pose. Get it back, scramble.
That's your doll.
Mike
Let me see it. I'm not sure either. I don't know which way the stand goes in. I like that.
I don't know if it goes like this or this.
You know what? Honestly, I'm not sure either. Is it like I'm gonna Google it. I don't know. I haven't played with Barbies ever. No, I got a lot of things going on, chat. Sorry, nods all down. Cells below here, GJ. I'm dealing with stuff. Template, so that's why I was late to the stream. I'm dealing with a bunch of stuff, but nothing to do with trading. I mean, irrelevant here. Cells below. Exposure. Cells below here. If we come up and come back down for a fake out. Yeah, I like this level too here. So anything above here, that's a range 2 breakout. I highly doubt we're going to get all the way up there during the Asian session, but if we don't, and we do end up coming up, level will be valid for London, okay? And some of you might be asking, why are we having a range 2 breakout bullish if we are bullish for the day, right? Right? Anyone asking that? Daily bullish? Never broke the daily lows? But we did have range 2 breaks already, right? Range 1, range 2. So, which changes our bias to bearish, but the daily low respected here, okay? So, now, if we do end up coming back up bullish, I need to see a range 2 breakout going back the other way. So, because we've had the range 2 breakouts, it's a higher probability that we're going to keep going down. Now gold moves, right? I mean, we were correct. Our stop wasn't. It's not that it wasn't correct. It's just, it is what it is because, right, this previous candle, if this candle right here has a bottom wick, we would have placed our stop right, I would have placed my stop right below this candle, the previous candle low, but it didn't have a bottom wick, so in that case, when this one comes down here, it just breaks it, and it didn't. It held here. Why too high? Because look, at the top of this range, you're 20 pips in, you're break even, and you have massive potential. Because if it breaks, it's heading up here. You could just leave it for the night, right? So we missed this trade? No. I took this trade and I got stopped out. I don't know what you did. I didn't miss it. I took a L. Took a second loss of the month. Guest appearance? No, probably not. Probably not tonight. Not good for entry again for this trade? No, it's not a good re-entry because of the time. 8:40 for the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. It can drive up fine. I'm just gonna watch it. Chat, you can't be revenge trading. You can't be thinking about what happened the last. I forgot about it already. Like that's. Stop living in the past, chat. Not Chad. Chat. Stop living in the past. Yeah, no, there was nothing wrong with our entry. It's a solid play. Look, we weren't wrong anywhere. Even our stops weren't wrong. We're playing our probabilities, right? Probability and what probability dictates. Yeah, 11 minutes left for the 4 hour close. Once that closes, we have more info printed in front of us. And if this pulls back a little, we'll have more buys. If it drives up, fills the range, we'll have to wait for more closures. Very simple. Last 2 4-hour candles on gold barely has bottom wicks. Ah, good point, Chad. So if that's something you'll notice as well, a lot of the times what will happen if you have a 4 hour that drives without opening with a wick, without a wick on the opening, and just drives, typically the next 4 hour might just drive with no bottom wick. It's just showing you massive volume. No, it's Eric, it's showing you that there was a lot of volume. These candles are showing a lot of volume. These are big motherfucking candles, right? This is 50 pip can 70 pip candle here. It's a volume candle. All right, hold on. Yeah, I don't see why they'll be closed. I don't know. Yeah, it's London should be open. London's fine. New York is closed right there. USD bank holiday, right? But London should be fine. And all the speeches are after London session, so should be fine. I need this candle to pull back. I can't have this be in the middle of the range like this. I mean, I use volume tool. You usually see price push up with not much volume to trigger a better area for sales. When I say low volume, not many buyers holding. Check this card. I semi chart. I'll check in a minute. Chad, drop a like. Trying to get to 4K. I know it's a shitty day to get to 4K, huh? Damn, mods here full force. Anybody take that trade with me, mods? Anybody in profit still? To anyone didn't close or anyone didn't get stopped down, still in? Still in? Nice. Nice. Got some loyal ones in here. Just don't come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day off, though. Corey, appreciate you. Yeah, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And, stuff our faces with turkey. 3966. We got 34 more subs to get to 4K. So we were gonna get it on stream, but the way that first trade went, that's fucking annoying. It's all right. More chat. Forget what happened with that trade. If you managed risk, it should be 1% or less of your account. You could take 100 more of these trades before you lose your account. But we don't do losing streaks, right? We only do winning streaks. Just once in a while, we pay our rent to the market. Your trading journey start to grow. Did your trading journey growth starting to grow once you hit rock bottom? Do you really ever hit rock bottom? Let me tell you something. If you think you've hit rock bottom, it can always get worse. Always. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, all right. Wait, what happened? You need to pee? Go, 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 go. I'll do this for now. Go. Oh, I don't know how to do this. This isn't as easy as it was in the picture. Good? There we go. I think this is good. Give me, I got it. I got it. I got it. Hey, there you go. Fixing Barbies here, chat. All right. Get with the program. No, we're not in a position right now. We're waiting on a 4-hour close, 4 minutes. Yeah, I hope I get to 4K this stream too. That would have been fun. That would have been fun. But I also wanted to be on a winning stream, not a losing stream. Trading point of view, at some point it just you don't have that one moment where you're like, oh, now I'm consistent. It's just over time, more and more things fall in line, and just get. It's not you're tired of losing. You just get sick and tired of, of your own shit. Like I say, you get sick and tired of your own shit. Just like, why am I doing this? Why the fuck did I do this if I know not to do this? Like, But in this, I'm looking at this trade that we took here. There's nothing here I would have done different. I would have taken this trade regardless. Right. The only thing I probably would have done is if we were ranging around break even here, or a few pips in profit, and I'm expecting a pullback on the next 4 hour, I would have probably closed here. Just not close the trade here, but close before at the 4 hour close. So as the 4 hour closes, and we're going to expect the bottom wick on the next 4 hour, right? Because it's bullish. I'll close out as the 4 hour closes, expecting a bottom wick on the next candle. So that's here. That's how you can manage risk there. Yeah, and I never saw like a click. Oh, today, I wasn't profitable last 2 months, and all of a sudden today I'm profitable, and from now on I'm profitable. No, it slowly changes, right? There's, like I said, there's many aha moments, and where like you discover certain things in different aspects of trading, and then over time you put them together. It's never like one thing that came together for you where you're just like, oh, good, now I'm good at trading. It's just many aspects of trading have to click and come together, and different people have different aspects together, right? So different people have figured out different aspects of trading, and they've put those together. Some people have similarities, but they have another aspect of trading that they've thrown in there, and you know what I mean? It's everybody realizes or notices something in the charts that can relate to them, or where they can exploit the charts at different times, and we all realize different things. We have different points of view, different approaches. But it's never like one moment that clicks. It's a series of many different aha moments that click, and then you have to also apply them. Once they click for you, you have to figure out where you can apply them to exploit the market. Oh yeah, I gotta like the stream as well. I hop on here. Chat, like the stream, drop a like, sub to the channel. Lost today, but we're 5-2 on the month. We're 16-4. That's our 4th loss in Q4. So we're 16-4 for Q4. We're still massively ahead. We got a closure here on the 4 hour. I don't like this closure here right at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to pull up. We're in the middle of this range here. There's some minor levels here, but I still think we should pull up here. But I need us either to come back down here or to pull up above there. Let's see what GJ did. GJ also respected. We didn't get a close below. Well, let's see. Hold on. The 30 respected. Did the 1 hour close below? I think the 1 hour closed below here. Yeah, chat. I think the 1 hour closed below. right. We can't use these big ass stops. Fuck. Previous is 37 for 37. 37 for 37 pips here. Can we use the, yeah, chat, that's what I'm gonna do. Fuck, these previous 30. I'm waiting for a steeper top wick. I want this to re-break its own high. And I think, did the daily ever break the previous? Yeah, look, the daily also broke the previous daily low here. Look. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have a sell stop here on GJ. Wow, a lot of volume. Gold should drive up here. What's does this look like? 40? No. I want a steeper wick. I'm sorry, it's a new 4-hour. I need a steeper wick. And it would be 22 pip stops at this moment. Yeah. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Five. No, I can't do that. 5 pips. So chat, check this out. This is a 5 pip wick on a 4-hour candle. It's respecting this area, but it's tough for me. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna have a buy stop here. I mean a sell stop here. I want it to come back, like I was saying, I need it to re-break this high. If it re-breaks this high and grabs more liquidity, because it grabbed this high in the first couple of minutes of the 4-hour candle. It technically should drive because the hourly closed below here. Once it breaks the lows, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I need a steeper top wick. Maybe we'll get it here. Who knows? Hold on. Let it. And last time, look what happened. Last time we closed below here, the next candle for the top wick wise, right? It came. Look. This candle came all the way up here. We closed below here. Right here. Right? Closed below. Next candle came all the way up there for the top wick before driving down. So I think we might retest this high. And if we get there and then start flipping bearish, then that would be ideal. Yeah, if this can come up to here, yeah, it's a wick, yeah. Otherwise, it's a 5 pip top wick. It's really sketchy for me. Or if the 30 closes like this, which I doubt it will, because that means there's nothing happened here, barely moved, then we can have the break of the lows. Do it for the gram? No, I'm doing what's logical, and you know, you have to go based on, you know, on your technical analysis, study of historical data, and historically this candle comes all the way up before driving down, right? That's what I've seen happen here, and it's got to fit all my parameters in order for me to take a trade. XXX18, I know you lying. That's definitely not true. Yeah, mods are getting some coffee right now. Well, you see we're coming up. We're re-breaking the highs here. Perfect. Perfect. Chat. Now. We could start a little higher. A little higher. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to have a sell stop here, chat. On the break of the lows. It rebroke the current candle high. It could come up a little higher, be even better. But I'm going to have a sell stop right here. Come on. Remember, you don't really have to account for spread here much either, because it's a sell. So on sells, you're going to get activated at market price. So no need to account for spread on a sell. Just get it below the candle on whatever it is on your broker. And we also broke the... Do I think GJ weekly is going to flip? Yeah, it's... I don't know. It looks like it should be driving up on the weekly, all the way up here. Problem with the daily is the daily broke the previous daily low. Right? So we could still flip, but the chances of us flipping bullish have gone that, have gone down that much because the daily low's been broken. The hourly close below here. Gold buys no gold. I don't have enough range till the next range here. Till the next resistance here. It would have to be the break of the highs. It's like 16 pips, but you're in, 33 pip stop for the first initial 16 pips. Yeah, you could bring it here and here, but realistically, I think GJ looks better. Yeah, weekly and other time frames are bullish, but unfortunately we're not in this session for a week. We're in this session for only 2 hours, one of which has gone by already, right? So we have 1 more hour. What is your stop loss for the sell stop? It's going to be the previous 30 right here. And if it breaks the previous 30, and then starts flipping, we're going to go current candle. It wouldn't be a bad idea for it to break the previous 30, and my reasoning behind that is, look, we had the 30 top wick, drove down, broke the daily lows, and never drove any further, right? Rejected. So maybe this wasn't enough liquidity here. So if it comes up and breaks this 30 high and grabs liquidity here, maybe it just needed more liquidity. More orders in order to drive down. So if it comes up above it, grabs the orders it didn't, and then maybe that'll be our drive down. If not, no harm, no foul. Oh my god. I'm thirsty. Give me a sec. I talk too much. All right. Oh, we're coming down a little, huh? Yeah. Got these candles. I've been waiting to burn them bitches. Look at this. 4 hour also closed below here. The hourly, the 4 hour. I mean, we might see a pretty steep top wick here, but there's no indication here that we should start heading up here. Hungry for some pizza? How do you know? I had 3 slices of pepperoni pizza yesterday, and I think I'm good for like at least till Christmas, like next Christmas. Yeah, losing 100 pips when you're supposed to get profit. Yeah, that's some shit people get killed for. That's crazy. Where you go? Stop loss. We don't have a stop loss because we're not in a trade right now. I'm on sell position. I am on no position, or in no position. I'm in no position right now to be telling you that I'm in no position.
13 RP from the public. I make sure you scrape for life. Just in the drops if you love me. Glizzy with the stock, hold a 50 and 30 clip. We throw ones up in the air, running no bitches while they script. Think about your folks over there before you play. Everybody gon' get killed. She get ugly, you see all black.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Chat. We got 10 new subs. 24 away. 24 away from 4K. We're 1K deep in the chat. We're about to be 4K deep in the subs. Free Pooh, free cousin Rodney. Damn, K, loyal one. Been watching, just haven't been saying nothing. You dope, bro. Thank you for the love. Appreciate it. 300 people on here today. Hey, not every day is a win, but every day is a win. Every day is a W. Highest hell in the charts right now, feeling real good. Good. I just make your pockets feel good. Hope you hit 10K subs by the end of the month. Yeah, it's I hope so too, but it ain't gonna happen. Shit is not happening by the end of the month. But we can definitely get to 4K tonight. We're 24 subs away from 4K. Drop a like and sub to the channel, y'all. If you're enjoying the stream, if you like coming down here Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern for our live Asian session streams here on YouTube, drop a like. Turn on your notifications so you know when I'm on. Because I get flooded. Like I'm here. I was here at 8:04. I had no joke, at least like 15, 20 people write a message to me like, "Yo, you all right? Everything okay? What happened to you?" It's good though. Like, yo, with chat like this, who needs friends? What? You want yogurt? Okay, hold on. Chad, hold on. I mean, we got sell stops here. I gotta go get my kids some yogurt. I'll be back in 1 minute. Will you stream on New York session for Don? No. Tomorrow's a bank holiday. We are not streaming New York session, and Don's not on vacation. That's his thing. I only cover when he's on vacation. But there's no reason to do that tomorrow. Yeah, give me a sec. I gotta get him yogurt.
Call my phone or text me. Yeah, by that time to come roll out. But it's so long, bound for a blowout. You love dance, you love to show up. You going crazy, I know, but I know now. Let me pull up later, show you how I'm rocking. Do you all a favor? Old and it gets cold. Just pull up and when you're outside before the gate cold. Need a line to keep you gay. Only realize that he put you safe. It's hard, bro, but you learned your lesson. Long time, but you still get sexy. About a mile away, stack it. I got 3 white bitches like it's powder day. Mink coat with them rolls like a sharp bay. And all of my bitches since they call them Barbies. She looking back like I'm flexing, baby, no way. And lately I've been on that juice. Me a chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got me a chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got me a chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got me a chick, I got a chick.
Ay, ay. First time here, heard you nice with it. Yeah. I can't tell you nothing today. We're 0-1 today. We're 16-4 for Q4, but we're 0-1. We do take losses once in a while. And to keep it 100 with you, we took a L today. But honestly, I would take that trade over and over and over. Because it's just a very profitable trade. Just so happens today was that 20% chance that it doesn't work out. And you can't be switching up your trading styles based on that. I always tell you guys, you'll be chasing shadows. You'll be chasing something that's not there. Stick to your strategy. Make sure you get a good sample size. Do it over and over and over. Not for a week, not for a month, not for a quarter, a market cycle, but for many, many market cycles. But you have not been misled. We are nice with it here. Anyway, drop a like, sub to the channel, and turn on your notifications so you know when to come through here and when we're live. you can join us. This is okay. So remember what I pointed out earlier, guys? Chat. The level here, right? This, we had a closure below here. Next candle drove down, but it made a top wick to this level. This is what I wanted to see here. Top wick to this level, and then a flip of this candle. As it flips, technically, once it flips, this is what we should see. Right? Somewhere to these levels. And why do we want that? And why are we looking for that? Because every time we close below here, we drove. And look, we had a closure right here below, and we drove. Next candle drove down. So just follow, you know, just look left. When you're in doubt, zoom out. And follow the higher time frames. Let the higher time frames take you there. Because if you can see on the 30, we did respect this level here on the 30. But the higher time frames, the 1 hour, closed below here. To the 4 hour has closed below here. Daily has broken the previous daily low. So all the higher time frames are telling us that we're due to come down bearish back in this range. And if we're gonna do that on the daily and we break the lows, wow, this is massive amounts of clean range to be corrected here. See what I mean? 150, a lot of pips, 100 pips, a lot of room. GP, I'm gonna look for these lows here. 67, like around 167 flat, 167.03. But realistically, at the fill of this wick, at around 35 pips, you guys should be taking the majority of your, you know, of your profits. So I'll probably take some bacon off the table. Oh yeah, I'm gonna secure some bacon right here. Probably at this level initially. So it's gonna be around 17, 18 pips, break even. Take 50, probably take 75 at the fill of the wick at 36. And then let it rock till 167 for the remaining quarter. Tom, thank you for joining us. Awesome, appreciate it. Love it. See, chat, we're getting a lot of like-minded people. Any newbies today? Anyone here for the first time? I'm sorry, your first time. It sucks coming in, and coming in anywhere on the first day and taking an L is no good, right? But, hey, market's the market. We have a really high win rate, and just trust the process. Newbie here. Nice, gotta get jumped in. For the Zoom, you gotta get jumped in if you want to join the Zoom. First day after 1 month since last lost account. Did you trade that month, or did you take the month off and now it's your first day back? refresh the chat. Are we at 4K? Did we get 4K yet? That's gonna be a big dub. If we get 4K, it's dubs. Oh no. We're like 10 subs away, chat. Almost at 4K. 11. Tell yo mama to sub. Grab your burners. go go on your burners and sub. Come on, where's the trolls? Hey, okay, I'm speaking strictly to the trolls right now. Hey, I gave you guys content today. You guys have content for the haters. You guys have content to make some videos today. Now sub. Get your burners and sub. Come here. Jeez. I don't even get paid for this babysitting job. Come here. Give me. I got it. I got it. Give me. I'll do it for you. Wait, wait. Don't leave. I'm giving it to you right here. 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 All right. Drop some shit. I believe it's not gonna flip. Well, no harm, no foul, right? But we did break the daily lows, so I like this sell stop. If it doesn't flip and the hourly closes bullish like this, then we'll delete the sell stop at 10 p.m., right? Until then, I believe we should drive down. Should I make a burner? No, I was kidding with the burners. How much you paid for your PC? What, this? This is a lizard tank. Keep lizards in there. It's not a PC. That's right, Corey Jones. You see? The lizard tank. Yeah, new guy, huh? Lizard powered computer. Yeah, lizard power. I got 4 lizard power right now. It looked like a PC. Nah, it's a lizard tank. That water cooler, that's the feeding mechanism. Word, there's 3 lizards under the table going, pedal faster, bitches. Come on, guys. We need more power. Freaking geckos under my feet. I rub my lizards for good luck. You rub your lizards? Oh man. Wow. Boston up 13 right now, huh? Dallas. That's tough. You rub cherries? Whatever you do for good luck, just keep doing it. You ever seen Cool Runnings where he had the lucky egg? Rub my egg? Like, no, just rub it. Did we break the previous 30? Yeah, 30 back in range. came up. Listen.
Then they daddy, but you lover, you in trouble. I'm the Sunday, I'm gon' barbecue it, satin. That's your busy, it ain't shit. I went shopping, left it running.
Everybody seen this video? The video for this is banging.
Cause my papa wasn't trapping, but my uncle up the satin. Mr. Magic, Billy, Mr. Magic, Billy, miss me with that local hating.
He need his joint, baby. Nah, I'm good. I got a cool running one back on that one, yeah. Hate when someone makes me aware of my breathing. Oh, I don't mind. It's probably because the mic is like right here. All that shit out. I don't know. Hot Wheels leading the way. I got like a 50 pack of Hot Wheels. Feed me rappers or feed me beats. Yeah, Brent. Market historically moves a lot slower in Asian session, and it historically drops in volume during quarter four. So this is the lowest of the lowest volumes. Maybe like some December volume is even lower. But we've been having trades. We've been pretty successful here. Even during the low volume times, like I said, Q4, we are 16-4. 16 wins, 4 losses for Q4. Way the 30 closed back in range here. I would see it. You see how the 30 closes back in range? I would see it driving up. But the hourly is what we're looking at, right? And the 4 hour. This 4 hour candle. It's still, that could come all the way up here, not break the 4 hour at 168.3, and then come down. But these stops would be too wild, right? But for now, we're still good.
Yeah.
Smoking legal.
I got more slaps than the Beatles.
Dog.
Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, that shit is lethal, dog. Who you say what? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball,
So they sent me.
I just broke off with a 10-piece, dog.
Oh, I got top chat. I'm sorry. I'm missing a lot of messages. I had top chat open this whole time. Asian tomorrow? No Asian. Go hold bullish trend to close the week. It doesn't matter. All we care about is this hour, and then we're good till Monday. So I know everything. Go away. Anyway. Oh, shit.
Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hard way. Got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you love it magic, not all shade. Still going bad on you.
Anyway. Used to be my gym music, right? And then I got rid of Drake, and I started doing the Joe Rogan podcast. And then I got rid of that. I think I've heard every or seen every good Joe Rogan podcast, and then now I just work out to the news. Anybody else be bench pressing while listening to the fucking weatherman? I'm different. Built different, you know. Man, a podcast? Yeah, that's good. Audiobooks? No, I don't listen to audiobooks, no. And like I said, lately I listen like in the car. I don't even listen to music in the car anymore. Like it's either podcasts or like news from around the world. I'll never watch local news though. I never do that. I always want to know what the fuck's going on everywhere else because like I live here. Listen to your local. Yeah, Dan's a fucking legend here. Price action. Strategy here is price action. Bench pressing while watching your stream. I used to go to the gym and trade in the gym. That was fucking weird. That's some shit I never want to do. Do we mark our stop loss? What do you mean? Are you in a trade? What's going on, Henry Corniwan? In a trade? Hold on, chat. They're either crying or laughing. I gotta figure it out. Oh. They're role playing. Oh, sell stop. You have a sell stop. Yeah, at this point, look, since you broke the previous 30, at this point, the sell stop would be current candle, right? On the hourly. Because that's what our trade is based on the hourly. Yeah, Felix, you are late. But you're lucky. No attendance today. We're taking it easy. It's pre-holiday. No. The pre-holiday session. What you doing for gold, bro? Nothing. I need it out of the range. This is our session right here. These three candles. It's gone nowhere. It's just ranged here. We need a drive. And typically, you need a catalyst in order for the market to drive. And catalysts can be either market peak times, opens, closes, or closures above or below ranges. Right? So this closure below here, right here, is an indication that there's a lot of volume. And it's given us bearish direction. So, if so facto, we can deduce that, break of this low should drive this candle. Break it down? Break what down? Dude, I did a breakdown at like an hour and a half ago, dude. Donald, I'm sorry, Rogers. Oh, no wonder. Rogers. That's why. Please try to speak only necessary things. Try to keep quiet. Sold my car on trading gold. I'm going to sell. Please tell me, should I stop with minus 10K loss? Should I hold with my balance is 40K? Based on that question, I say stop. Why did we time somebody out? What happened, Kay? What did he do? Oh, maybe I think he was speaking to other people, telling them to speak only like necessary things. I don't think that was to me. But fuck it, he got caught in the crossfire. Friendly fire, baby. Yeah, yeah. Clint's been there. It's all right. It's all right. Dilip, just ask Clint how he spent his time locked up. Should have been clearer. I agree. This is trading here. We need things broken down to us. But I don't understand. What's the question? What do you guys need to be broken down? When is the next stream? We're gonna resume on Monday. Cyber Monday. Big discounts on these charts. Still waiting for a setup. No, we had a setup, but we're about to delete. It's yeah, we're coming up on the last 15 of this hourly. Closing back in range. And it's gonna be 10 p.m. That's our session. 10K loss. I mean, he said he's got a 40K account. It's only 25% of his account on one trade. What's wrong with that? Need the dope to be peaceful, but I'm not dopey on it. Sorry, guys. I see you on Monday. That's it for me. Asian today? Yeah, yeah. Well, hold on. Let's see if we ever got to 4K. Chat, did we get to 4K? We're almost there. Hold on, Chad. Don't leave. Maybe we get 4K. We celebrate on stream. 3,995 subs. 5 more subs, chat. Only 25%. I mean, I'm mad and I'm new in this thing. Wait. Where's my chat? Top chat again. I need live chat. I'm creating new accounts to sub now. No, don't do it for the burner. Don't do it with the burners. I need them organically. New sub. Hey, Ami. Nice. All bullish, mate, at the moment. Information's never heard. I usually retest a couple of times for a major change in trend anyway. Hey, Donald Rogers. Awesome. Thank you for subbing. Tell your grandma. Tell your grandpappy. Tell your kids. No, don't tell your kids because they ass might get locked up for trading. And when you hit 4K, I'm going to unsub. 3.9999. Yeah, we're at 3.99. I'll tell you right now, Chad. Did we hit 4K? I got to refresh. Hey, 4,002. Clap it up. Clap it up. I know there's a lot of things going on in everybody's life right now. I know you might be down bad on some things. I know there was an L today, but stick to it. You're going to get it because an L does not determine your trading career, right? Missed it? No, you didn't miss it. Yo, you guys are fucking awesome for getting us there. It's been a really short road to 4K, but it's a lot of fun. So let's make it an even shorter road to 10K. Yo, stick with it. Don't switch up. Don't let a loss throw you off. Don't let the noise from other people throw you off. Keep doing what you're doing, and we can all be profitable. If you stick to it, it's inevitable. Okay? Don't fight the inevitability. Fight the little voice inside your head trying to hold you back. Tell them to stop talking all that shit and tune it out. Don't base your decisions on whatever the voice inside your head's saying. Base it on numbers, logic, and have things make sense here. Right? I want to see you guys win, and in order to win, I want to see you guys actually, you know, put your time into it. So show up every night at the same time, same place. Don't forget, there's no New York stream tomorrow. Oh, wait, let me just set this up. Delete these sell stops. I mean, they'll be valid even if we break now, but it stops it. You know, I'm not happy with this. Plus, it's out of session time, so just wait for the 4 hour to close, the next 4 hour, which is 1 a.m., and look for London sessions. I think the London session is your last trading session before this, that you can get something in before the weekend, Thanksgiving Day weekend here in the U.S. Gold ranged here. Look, this is the session here. Just these few candles, these 6 candles, 8 candles. Wisdom video 4K special today? No, I'm looking to start new clips as of January 1st. We're just gonna have a whole bunch of vids for you. If not, I might drop one for Christmas. There might be a Wix Wisdom 5 for Christmas. Until then, I'm not sure yet. There's a whole lot of footage recorded, but I gotta figure out when's the best time to drop it. I gotta get it I still haven't gotten everything over to Broly. Oh, he wrote to me this morning. I don't know if you're on, Broly. You're probably sleeping, but he wrote to me this morning. I got to reply to him. So we'll have new vids out for you. But yeah, thank you guys for joining. Thank you, mods. Thank you for showing up. Thank you, trolls. Thank you for showing up and subbing with your burners so I can get to 4K. 4K subs. Thank you to the trolls, the haters, the people that are new here. Thank you, everybody. And we're going to keep doing this. I'm going to be back here Monday morning for the New York session live stream with Don and on his stream. And Monday evening, we are right back here, right back at it. I hope you guys have an incredible Thanksgiving. Right? Get some turkey. Imagine the Pilgrims killed a cat for Thanksgiving instead of a turkey. You know what we'd all be eating right now, huh? You guys know what we'd all be eating right now. That's right. I'll wait. You can think about it. Oh, man. Ah. Gobble, gobble. Yeah, no, I'm, like I said, I'm stuffing the turkey with 3 hens, and when the kids eat it, I'm gonna be like, look, the turkey was pregnant. Yeah, I did, problematic. I told you I'm gonna do that. Proteins, baby, no. Wick's just laughing. Yeah, but it's great content, right? Gary Vee would be like, content? Content? Cat? No. We'd all be eating. Yeah. Anyway, on that note, I really hope you guys have a really good Thanksgiving. I'm back stuffed. I want to see everybody like this on Monday. Oh, man. Oh, man. You know what? Turkey's not even my favorite part of Thanksgiving. Well, food-wise, I like stuffing, yeah. But I think overall, favorite part of Thanksgiving is the awkward conversations at the Thanksgiving table. Just putting people under pressure. I think that's it. Yeah, chat. It's we're 12 minutes till 10. 10 is typically our session. We drove back in range. We didn't get activated. I will see everybody on Monday. Now, all we need to do. The music go off? Oh, you know what, chat? I was gonna say if we don't get banned for the music today, I mean we're gonna keep it going on Monday with this music. So we didn't get banned today. We're gonna keep it going. Otherwise, it's copyright free Mondays. All right, chat. Love and wisdom to you all. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you guys Monday.
Though we gotta say goodbye for the summer, baby, I
Bingo, Donald. Bingo.
I'll send you all my love every day in a letter sealed with a kiss.
These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up.
Yeah,
These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up.
yeah,
Told these hoes I'll be back around June.
round June.
Told these hoes I'll be back around June. Better yet, I changed my numbers for the whole winter. Damn, it's so cold in the fucking winter. These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up. Damn, I'm so cold in the fucking winter.
You was in La Marina all summer. You was up in Toxic all summer. Now it's getting chilly, that's the fall coming. Now nigga get a call from her, what's up, how you been, how was summer, how that end? I'm like some bitch stringing me along like a violin. She was too busy hosting, on Instagram posting, hashtag no filter, aka hoe filter, with the innocent face, but you so guilty. Now I'ma take her in like a whole shelter, when there's a few niggas that I know killed her. 4 Celtics, Nick Guard, you know Felton, some nigga in Atlanta, Air Trainer, no Delta. Been naughty all year, trying to end it nicely. Summer hoes turning into winter wifey.
4K.
These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up.
Yeah,
These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up.
yeah.
Told these hoes
100.
I'll be back
Green, I
around
agree with you.
June. Told these hoes I'll be back around June. Better yet, I changed my numbers for the whole winter. Damn, it's so cold in the fucking winter. These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up. Damn, I'm so cold in the fucking winter.
You was in Club Live every Sunday. You was in KOD every Monday. Just like Lil Wayne said.
On Sundays, King of Diamonds Monday.
Oh, you been working out. You think I'm dumb or what? I know how a winter gut turned into a summer butt. She bartend, he paid for the shots. But why the lime marita for the thoughts? Hard dick and bazooka. Maybe a little hookah. She thinking Philippe, I'm thinking Chipotle. I heard bitches commit sins for Chipotle. Every rapper in a cypher, every player in a huddle. You really wanna fuck, but you say you wanna cuddle. You posting like you ballin', but you really in a struggle. The captions be deep, but you shallow as a puddle. Turn down for what?
These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up.
Yeah.
These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up.
Yeah.
Told these hoes I'll be back around June.
Around June.
Told these hoes I'll be back around June. Better yet, I changed my numbers for the whole winter. Damn, it's so cold in the fucking winter. These hoes keep calling, I ain't picking up. Damn, I'm so cold in the fucking winter.
Later, y'all.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York, New York. I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk, you talk. I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York, New York. I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk, you talk. And I know y'all niggas is pussy, punani, vagina. Your monologues getting tired. Now it's time to ride. To print this, you fired. You no longer desire. So take off them silly chains, put back on your wire. I'm on fire, highly dipped in octane. Let East Coast bang, let West Coast bang. And Rule gon' bring the ghetto gospel to every hood possible. Pushing through in the sky blue, back with the guard you now. Preferably the 4-pound slugs flying at the speed of sound. Trying to catch the ears of niggas that's running their mouths. I might get my Brooklyn niggas to run in your house. I don't really understand what the running's about, but we hunters, we take pride in airing our prey out, leaving them laid out dead and just for sport, cause we ain't playing up here in New York.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York, New York. And you can tell the way the homies spit. That nigga, I'm from New York, New York. I got 100 ways to make a grip. Yes, I'm from New York, New York. And you can tell I get real ignorant. Cause nigga, I'm from New York, New York. And this is how we do. Nigga, I can see the coke in your nose. This ain't a movie, even he got his head blown on the globe. And I was just about to find God, but now that Mace is back, I think I'd much rather find a Minaj. And everybody talking crazy how they AK spit, but we done disinvestigating and they ain't spray shit. Not me, I'm a truth homie. Got the industry shook like, nah, nigga, Joe gon' let him loose on me. True story, I'm bringing the team back. Even Roy Jones was forced to lean back. My nigga Dre said grind cook. Now we killing them hard. Niggas saying I must have found Pun's rhyme book. Got bitches on top of the Phantom, and the pinky got bling like the ring around Saturn. Cook up crack, niggas fiend for that. And you already know the X's where the team be at.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York, New York. Yeah, rough riding, D-block and shit. Nigga, fuck what you thought, you thought. And you can't take shit for granted, cause life is too short, too short. Yeah, got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York. This is how I swear it couldn't be sweeter. Life's a bitch, depending on how you treat her. You might get rich, it's guaranteed you gon' die. And you might get missed for maybe 2 or 3 hours till they light they spliffs. And that coke will get you a long time. But when I let them know the dope is out, it's like America Online. Wise is awoken, and you know they say that you deserved it whenever you die with your eyes open. I still hold a title, cause I'm in the hood like them little motorcycles. Stick up kids hopping out with the old rifles. Just doing shit for nothing, it's so spiteful. I'm just like you. The word that niggas wanna murk you is in the air. A double shot of yak and the purple is in the air. And I'm not cocky, I'm confident. So when you tell me I'm the best, it's a compliment.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York, New York.
And you could tell the way the homies spit that nigga, I'm from New York, New York.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York, New York.
I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk.
And this is how we do.